Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Revolut saving vault. Let's get straight into the video because it's going to be a really quick one. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Revolut account, and then you want to navigate to the savings section once you're logged in. Next you want to tap create a savings vault, and you got to set the savings vault detailed according to what's available. Next you got to transfer funds to your savings vault from whatever means you want to make use of, and then you can earn interest on your savings as they accumulate. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Revolut savings vault. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.